Exercise 6.5, question number 10. A guy wire attached to a vertical pole of height 18 meter is 24 meter long. So there is a pole of height 18 meter. So height is 18 meter and a wire is attached to a vertical pole of height 18 meter is 24 meter long. So here and here it was attached with a wire 24 meter long. Okay, now how far from the base of the pole should the stake be driven so that the wire will be taut? So here the distance between this base they are asking, pole and this one, this distance they are asking. Let us give name as A, B and C. Height of the pole is 18 meter. Here and here it was attached a wire, they were attaching a wire. We have to find out the distance of the base. Now in triangle ABC we have to use Pythagoras theorem since the angle is 90 degree. So in triangle ABC, angle B is equal to 90 degree. So AC square, angle of side opposite to 90 degree will be hypotenuse. So AC square is equal to AB square plus BC square. So AC value is 24 square, AB value is 18, so 18 square plus BC square. So 576, 24 square, 24 into 24, 576, and this is 324. When you transpose it becomes minus 324 is equal to BC square. 6 minus 4, 2. 252 is equal to BC square. So take square root on both sides. 252 is equal to BC. You have to find out the square root of 252. So divide by 2. 1 2 is 2. 2 2s are 4. 5 minus 4 1. 6 2s are 12. Again divide by 2. 1 is lesser than 2, so take 2 digits together. In the beginning itself you are taking 2 digits, so no need to include 0 in the beginning. 6 2s are 12 and 2 3s are 6. Then in third table 3 2s are 6 and this is 1. Then again third table 7. Now when you take square root, two numbers make a pair. So instead of 2 2s 1 2, instead of 2 3s 1 3, and 7 does not have a pair, so you can write 7 inside the root. So 6 root 7 centimeter, or here meter, units meter. Units also you have to mention. So BC is equal to 6 root 7 meter. Next, an aeroplane leaves an airport and flies due north. So NESW direction. Okay, so from this point an aeroplane flies due north. So an aeroplane flies during north, let it be aeroplane A, and the speed for aeroplane A so speed of aeroplane A, speed is given as 1000 km per hour, and at the same time another aeroplane, so another aeroplane, let it be aeroplane B, speed 1200 km per hour. How far apart will be the two planes after 1.5 hours? So after 1.5 hours, that means time for both is 1.5 hours. We need to find out the distance. See, one aeroplane is flying due west, and we need to find out the distance between these two aeroplanes A and B. So first let us find out the distance from this point to aeroplane A and from this point to aeroplane B. Because they have given only speed and time, we need to find out the distance. What is the formula for distance? Speed into time. So speed they have given us 1000 km per hour. What is the time? 1.5 hours means 1 2s are 2, 2 plus 1 3. So 3 by 2 into 3 by 2, 2 1 time, this is 500 times. So 500 into 3, 1500 kilometers. So this distance is 1500 kilometers. Similarly we have to find out this one. So here distance, again distance is equal to speed into time. Speed is 1200 into time is nothing but 3 by 2. So 1 times, this is 600 times, this is 1800 kilometers. So this is 1800 kilometer. Now by using Pythagoras theorem, you can find out what is the distance of AB since this is perpendicular. So in triangle AOB, angle O is 90 degree. So opposite to O is AB. So by using Pythagoras theorem, AB square is equal to OA square plus OB square. AB square is equal to OA square plus OB square. What is OA? OA value is 1500 the whole square, and OB is 1800 the whole square. So 1500 is 15 is nothing but 225. 15 square is 225. 2 zeros when you square, you will be getting 4 zeros. 18 is nothing but 18 square is 324. 2 zeros when you square, you will be getting 4 zeros. So easily you can do like this. Now when you add, this is 9 and this is 4. So you will be getting like this. Then the root கண்டுபிடிக்கணுமா? Okay, now let us find out the root. AB square is 54,90,000. So what is the value of AB? Square root of. So first let us find out what is the square root of 549, because when we take square root of 4 zeros, we will be getting 2 zeros. Now suppose let us check in third table. 1 3 is 3. So 5 minus 3 is 2. 24 how many times? 8. 3 table 8 times. Then 9 3 times. Again in third table 6 3s are 18. 61 is a prime number. So for 2 3s 1 3, and for 4 zeros 2 zeros. 2 zeros means 100. This 61 does not have a pair. So root 61. So what is the answer? 300 root 61 kilometer. Since this is kilometer, so here also kilometer, here also kilometer. Therefore distance from A to B is 300 root 61 kilometer. That's all. Next, 2 poles of height. 2 poles of height 6 meter. So one pole 6 meter, another one pole, biggest pole 12 meter, is standing on a plain ground. So there is a ground here. If the distance between the feet of the pole is 12 meter, distance between this biggest pole and the smallest pole is given as 12 meter. Find the distance between their top. This is the top of this pole and this is the top of this pole. So they are asking the distance between these two poles. So this, suppose by using construction, if I join like this, then this and this are equal and this and this are equal. So this is, if this is 6, this also 6. If this is 12, this is also 12. Let us give name here. O, A, B, C, D. You can give any name. So now here, if this OB is totally 12 and if this is 6, then this also 6. Then only 6 plus 6 you will be getting 12. Okay. This is given as 11 meter. 11 meter. So if this is 6, then this will be 5. 11 minus 6 will be 5. So if this CD is 6 meter, this also 6 meter, and totally it is given as 11 meter, because one more pole, highest pole is 11 meter only. So if this is 6, this also 6. 11 minus 6, then the distance of OA is 5. So if you need OA, then from OB you have to subtract this AB. From OB you subtract AB. OB minus AB. OB's length is 11, AB's length is 6. Since AB and CD are equal, so 11 minus 6 is nothing but 5 meter. Now in this triangle, this is perpendicular. You know this distance and this distance. You can find out this by using Pythagoras theorem. So in triangle OAD, angle A is 90 degree. So side opposite to 90 will be the hypotenuse. So OD square is equal to OA square plus AD square. So OA is 5 square, AD is 12 square. Just 25 plus 144, 169. What is square root of 169? 13 13s are 169. So OD value is 13 meter. So the distance between their top is nothing but 13 meter.